Hope you're well. This is ZIZA FOREX Strategy. I'm going to take you through some of the trades that I took, and let's get right into it. So as you can see, let me start with this one with the loss. It's about to hit our the stop loss, but let's wait and see. You need to get a strategy that is comfortable for you, whether it's in losses or profits. I mean, you're not supposed to be stressed, right? Just trust your strategy. So let me remove these lines and I tell you how it went through. How I got to get the trade. As you can see, I'm on the sell, but let's go through. All right, so price is appearing that it's going down. If you can see very well. Daily price appears as if it's going down, right? You can all agree. Okay. So I mark my previous high and lows, which I'm going to mark right now. So this is a low apparently, according to me. This is the high, right? Right here. This one, because this move. And you have a kind of interest formed. Open and close. This is the kind of interest. Let me show you right here. First this bullish candle, then this bearish, then this other small bullish candle. That's the kind of interest. So we mark the open and the close. Open and close. As you can see, I'm not worried about the trade. If it hits my stop loss, I'll still have one more trade to go. But I mean, this is how simple it should be. Shouldn't be stressing, shouldn't be anxious. Just be relaxed and trust the strategy. Oh, I think I've removed one line. This is what we do on the daily, right? And we stop there. That's enough analysis. We got the 1 hour. So the 1 hour, you can see price was going down on the daily. And usually the 1 hour, what we do is that we look for the counter trend. The counter trend right now, as you can see, price was going up, down, then shifted momentum to the upside. So currently, I would mark any 2 points on the counter trend. So one, this is one. These are actually 3 points, right? There is another one that I drew to enter that trade, which is from here to here. Okay, so this is a more of a steep trend on the upside. As you can see, price broke it here. Okay, so when price breaks, you have to look at the previous candle that was bullish before the bearish move, which was showing an RSI of 74, as you can see clearly on the screen, which is an overbought area. So you look for divergence as well. It helps give you just confidence, really. 72 to 74, there is no divergence at the moment, but still an overbought area. So now we'll go ahead and mark our area of interest. I'm not worried that the trade is going to hit my stop loss, or maybe I want profits urgently, you know. I'm just trusting the strategy, right? Okay. If you can't trust your own strategy, why are you trading? So that's my area of interest I've marked, right? So I wait for price to go and hit this area of interest, right? Which it has done, as you can see here. It came here, it has come here. So I entered about yesterday, right? And like I already said, let me just increase the brightness. like I always say, you have to look for the second bearish engulfing candle. So price reached from this point down, form the bearish candle, then you form the second one, which is just below this other candles. So this is where ideal are supposed to enter, but so the tradelets entered here. So then my stop loss definitely has to be around here, right? I definitely don't put it because apparently they can see your stop losses. So I mean, it's easier for them to take them out. So I don't put stop losses. I don't trade the stop losses. But I know this line, when price hits here and closes above this, I am out basically. So I have to monitor my trade at least for a little part, especially when it's not going um, into my profit target. Okay. So yes, you can see price has moved this, made this bullish move, and it's probably heading to my stop loss. So if price closes above it, we're out and we look for one more trade. And if that trade works out, well and good. I still have good risk to reward ratio because my entry is here and my profit target is all the way here. Actually, it's lower. It's just here. You understand? So this risk, if you calculate it, it's in your favor. So if it plays out, well and good. The next trade plays out, well and good. If it doesn't, we get out of this trade area. Okay? There's no reason to chase the market, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? If our second trade does not play out, just in case this one doesn't hit our stop loss and the second trade doesn't play out, we'll look for another trade area. And the trade area I'm talking about is I would wait for price to either go up from here because this is our previous high. Look for another trade area here and another trade entry, or down. I wouldn't want just the market in between here, in between this zone, because I've already psychologically, I'm most likely going to make more losses than profits, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so there's no reason to chase them. The market can come down, go up a bit, go back down, go up a bit, go back down. It doesn't really care about how you think. You understand? For it does what it's supposed to do in order to make more profits for the big players in the market. So that's why you have to set a limit on your strategy. 2 trades, then after this 2 trades, well, if none are successful, wait for price to go up and form another trade area and a kind of interest, or down. And that's it basically. So let's see how this trade is going to play out, and let's wait and see. I may be wrong or right in this trade area, but if I'm right, I'll definitely hit a profit of 2000, right? And a loss of just above this area, 300. I think 300. Let me first confirm. I put my line, I put it way up. It's supposed to be just above that, what? Around here. Stop loss. Yes, just above these wicks, right? There are some wicks here. So about 152 to a profit of 2600. No, yeah, around, let's say 2000, right? Which is a good risk to reward ratio, in my opinion. Yeah, so if you want more content on ZIZA Forex strategy and step-to-step analysis of the ZIZA Forex strategy on all your pairs, yeah, kindly subscribe so that you get more content and information. Thank you.